Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Alright guys, so we are a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state in an area called the Quad Cities. Like I said, we are located in Pleasant Valley, Iowa, which is on Highway 67, only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. Super easy to get to. Alright guys, so if you follow our channel or you don't follow our channel, I'm going to let you know we got some sweet trucks. Always got sweet trucks, and this one right here is absolutely no exception to that. This just came in trade. This is a one owner local trade, sold new at the new Toyota dealership. The custom lifted part of the truck was all done when it was new, so this thing's done right. It's cool, man. 22. It's only got 63,000 miles on it. One owner. It's a Tacoma crew cab, and it's loaded. Again, lifted just a little bit, got the dark tinted glass, XD 18-inch wheels, oversized BFG tires, got that nice roof rack, tow package. This one's pretty well loaded up. We'll show you on the inside too. There's the bed, comes with that factory liner. Nice V6 under the hood. See how clean it is. It is a 22, you know, it should be, but it is nice and clean. So inside, this is the SR5 model, so we got it pretty well decked out. It's really cool cloth interior, but it's like a two-tone with the red stripes there. Two-tone red on the dash and door panels. This one has the big screen. It does have a backup camera. This is navigation capable through an app. It's got that power slider rear window, Bluetooth obviously, as you can see there. There's the dash. I got both sets of keys, guys. I've got all the books and records and all the good stuff that needs to come with it. Nice clean on the back seat too. Just a beautiful truck, guys. Carfax certified, no accidents. Just a nice truck. Like I said, they bought it. The previous owners bought it at the local Toyota dealer. The Toyota dealer did the lift, did the rims, did the tires, so it was all professionally done when the truck was new. BFGs, those are 275s. They're not new, they're not shot. You know, I'd say they're probably 30, 40, some maybe 50%. So you will put tires on it probably in the next 10,000 miles, I would. But they're good now, it dries out beautifully. It's ready to go, guys. So give us a call. 563-424-2000. Go to the website tealtrucks.com. That's THIEL trucks.com, or hit the subscribe button, because lifted trucks, big trucks, custom Jeeps, custom Broncos is one of our specialties. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely keep an eye on us. All right, guys. Till next time, have a good one.